Dear students, welcome back again to my class. My humble request to you for your humble concentration on my presentation. Okay, let's start my class. In the previous class, I told the remaining rules of subject verb agreement I will discuss. Now, I will discuss rule number 10 for subject verb agreement. In the rule, I wrote the singular verb form is usually used for units of measurement. Whenever we measure something, then we use singular verb form. Which form? Singular verb. When? At the time of measurement. You see in the example 4 quarters of oil which we use for our food production or other various purposes. Whatever, when this oil, whenever we get it, we need for measurement. So, whenever the time of measurement, we use the verb form singular. So, let's see the example 4 quarters of oil. 4 quarters of oil was, we use singular verb form required to get car running. Whatever the example, we have no headache, but we use singular verb form at the time of measurement. Now, we go to the next rule. Rule number 11. Please see the rule. If the subjects are both plural, see dogs and cats, both subjects are plural. Dogs and cats, both subjects are plural and are connected by the words. Which words? And, or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, not only but also. Here you see these both subjects are connected by and. The verb is plural. The verb, where is the verb? Are. That is, are is plural. I repeat the rule. If the subjects are both plural, subjects, dogs, cats, and both subjects are plural and are connected by the words. Which words? And. The result, you see the result is the verb is plural. I wrote here the verb is plural. Okay. Please notice the rule number 12. If one subject is singular and one is plural. Here you see in this example, one subject is plural and one subject is singular. One subject is plural, one subject is plural, and the words, the bears and the lion, are connected by the words. Which words? Or etc. Here we find or. You use, that means you student use the verb form. Which form? The verb form of the subject. Which subject you should follow? The lion or the bears? That is the nearest verb. Here you use has, and why use? The nearest subject is the lion, or the nearest subject for the nearest verb is the lion. So the lion is third person singular number, so you can use singular verb. Here you see another example. Neither the lion nor the bears. Here one subject is singular and one subject is plural, and the words are connected by which words? Nor. then you use the verb form. Which form? The verb form of the subject. Which subject? The nearest subjects. Here you see the nearest subject, the bears, and that subject is plural, so you use here have. Escape from the zoo. In short language, I say for you, for your easier comprehension, always mind it whenever any sentence is connected or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, not only, but also, then you should follow the subject. Which subject is used after or, after, nor, then the first subject, the before first subject, the bears, has no validity in this sentence. The first subject in this another sentence, the lion, has no validity for the verb. So we use in this sentence, so which subject? The lion, that means or nor, after or nor, which subject is remaining, then we should follow that subject. That is, here you see, after or we use the lion, so lion is third person singular number, then we use singular verb. Here after nor we see the subject, the bears, so you use have, the plural verb. Now we go to the next rule, rule number 13. Here you see the rule, indefinite pronouns typically take singular verbs. Indefinite pronouns, we know everybody is indefinite pronouns, so it takes singular verbs. Everybody third person singular number, then we use after the verb s, we add s after the verb, that is we use singular verbs. Indefinite, whenever we use indefinite pronoun, then we use singular verb, wherever it is present tense or past tense. Mind it, whenever we use indefinite pronouns, then most of the sentence are written in simple present tense. Rule number 14. But here exceptional, we say some exceptional, yes, there is also some exceptional, except for the pronouns. We know there are 8 kinds of pronouns. Say here we see these are the pronouns few, many, several, both, all, some, that always take plural form. Here we in this example you see few, it takes the plural form of the verb where. Here another rule, if two infinitives, so what is infinitive? So we know infinitive means 2 plus verb, how many infinitives? 2 infinitives, 1 2. If two infinitives are separated by, how? Separated by and, they take, that is one infinitive, two infinitive as total sum 2 infinitive, that is that take the plural form of the verb, plural form require, here is the plural form of the verb. Rule number 16. Please see the example and see the rule. Collective nouns. We know there are 5 kinds of nouns. Here one kind is collective noun. Collective nouns like heart, senate, class, crowd, etc. usually take a singular verb. Collective noun heart takes a singular verb. Which verb? Which kind of verb? Singular kind of verb. Rule number 17. Please see the rule number 17. Titles of the books, that means a name of a books, movies, novels, etc. are treated. Treated, that means considered. We means we consider or we take it as like as singular. Whatever the books, the title of the books, movies, novels, treated as singular. Always we consider them as singular subject and take a singular verb. As we consider it as a singular subject, so it takes a singular verb. Here you see in the example the verbs, as it is we see as apparently it is treated as plural subject, but in the rules says that it always it always treated as singular subject, so it takes a singular verb and then we use a singular verb. Here you see the when gerunds means verb plus ing. However, I will discuss about gerund detail in the next class. So you just for your consideration, just take it verb plus ing, that means gerund. When gerunds are used as the subject of a sentence, verb plus standing, that is verb, that is ing, verb plus ing, that is gerund, are used. Here it is used as the subject of a sentence, and for this sentence gerund is here, standing is the subject, that takes singular verb, form of the verb. Just here this rules is for the next example. But when they are linked, they means gerunds. How many gerunds? 2 gerunds. Swimming in the ocean and playing drums. Playing drums, that means musical instruments. Swimming in the ocean, playing drums. They are but when they are linked by How? Linked by and. Linked by and. That take plural form. They means swimming in the ocean, playing drums. That means they takes plural form. That is the plural form. Dear students, stay home and stay safe. These rules you should practice at your home for your better performance for grammatical purposes. That is for the right form verb. These are the very essential for you. You should practice more and more. Okay, thank you for your concentration. Next class, if you have any problem, then put your comment on comment box, or put your question or you ask a question in my inbox, and then I will reply as far as possible. Thank you.